Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar finished in the metallic Arroios grey paint job. This Velar is a petrol plug-in hybrid with a 2-litre P400e engine with a 19.2 kWh battery and an automatic transmission. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated and offer great visibility for the driver. The side mirrors and door handle will automatically fold in when the car is locked, and it stands proudly on 21-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. There is a very practical 558 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, allowing for larger luggage items, shopping and golf clubs. There is a retractable parcel shelf and the boot can be closed with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back, we do get our first glimpse at the panoramic sunroof. We then see the two-tone ebony and white leather seats with a fold-down armrest in the middle. When brought down, the armrest will reveal 2 exposed cup holders and there are ISOFIX points on all the seats. There is a rear climate control console with 2 USB charging ports. The plug-in charging port optimises a AC charging point. Moving into the front of the car, we do see the continuation of the two-tone ebony and white leather. We see the rest of the panoramic sunroof, as well as the leather front seats with additional side support for extra comfort on long journeys. They can also be electrically controlled with lumbar support. Here's a look at the multifunctional two-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel. We see on the left the controls for the secondary screen as well as the voice control. And on the right we see the cruise control and the heated steering wheel, which is great for these approaching winter months. The secondary screen itself has many different display options to best suit the driver's preference, including driver data, digital speedometers and navigation. The main touchscreen infotainment system also includes satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as fast food and EV charging stations. This car has radio with FM and DAB, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access the rear view parking camera. We also found the controls for the heated seats with varying levels of power adjustments to best suit the current weather conditions. Below the infotainment screen we do find a compartment which, when opened, contains a wireless charging pad and a USB-C charging port. There is a set of twin cup holders and the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up in 2 different stages to reveal a deep storage compartment as well as another USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved Land Rover Range Rover Velar. For any more inquiries, do get in touch with our sales team now.